Hello, let's talk Rockbase version 1.02. In this update, we included 8 new page patterns that give you a great starting point for your next piece of content that you're going to create for your WordPress website. These page patterns are optimized based on what we've learned creating websites for hundreds of creators at this point. You can add them very quickly and have an awesome starting point like this, and then edit it to match your needs. So to add this, you can add in all these blocks at once and get started, and then customize it for what you need on your site. So to do that, first you're going to need Rockbase, and then you're going to need to update to the latest version. Once you do, let me just delete all of this so I can show you how to get in there. You're going to add a new pattern. So here, and then go to patterns. Now, once you update, you will have a category inside of your patterns called pages. Click on pages, and you can scroll down and choose a page pattern that you want to start with. So let's start with, I'm going to show you that one that I had up. It's probably my favorite one. Not only do we include the page patterns, if you have access to Rockbase, you also have access to these templates in Figma, where you can make these cool screenshots for your own website. So you can get this really cool effect like this. So once it's inserted, you can see it creates all of these different sections that you need. You can just come in and edit the content to match what you need. You can edit these logos. You can just click on a logo and then click replace, and then you can upload a new logo. We can edit all of these features, testimonials, some other features that we might have for our product. Can add some FAQs, and then a final call to action at the bottom. Let's say that we don't need one of these sections. Let's say we don't want, let's say that we're just starting out, we don't have testimonials yet, right? So let's remove our testimonials section. And now we have that. And one of the things you'll notice is now we have 2 sections that have a white background right next to each other, and there's all this extra white space. So you can do one of 2 things. We could either make one of them have a darker background, or we could add a separator in between them. So let's do it that way, and that'll keep this looking nice and clean. So we'll add before, we'll type in /separator, and then we want to make it full width or wide width. And let's change the color of it to be, let's just make it like a light gray. There we go. Maybe a little bit darker than that. All right, so we removed that section. We added this separator to keep everything looking clean. This is all really easy to do inside of Rockbase. You can come in, edit all of these screenshots. It'll match your color scheme, everything that you are looking for. All right, so that's that one. Let me show you another couple of them just so you can see what you can work with. Let's see what else we got. Patterns, pages, and this time let me have one of the pricing ones. I'm really proud of the pricing table that we were able to create. This is all just using blocks, which is just remarkable. So we added in our pricing page pattern. I don't know. Still working on the naming convention there. So once you do that, you could come in here. Let's say that I only have 2 plans for my site. So I don't have this 3rd plan. We can just come in and we can delete the column for the 3rd plan. There we go. Now I just have these 2 plans, and it scales beautifully. There we go. Let me see. And then here's our pricing table. So this pricing table, on mobile, it creates sort of a scroll so that somebody can scroll over and see all the features, but this is all just using WordPress core blocks. So you can come in and edit out your pricing table. If you wanted to add in another feature or delete one, let's say I need another feature after this. So we're going to come in, and I'm just going to duplicate, and now I have another one. And so same thing if I wanted to make sure that's selecting that entire row. Let's say I wanted to delete a couple of them. Let's say I want to delete both of these. Just select them both and delete. There you go. You can edit all of these buttons so that they go to the right places. edit the testimonials. And yeah, these page patterns, we hope that they give you a really good starting point for your next WordPress project. We have 8 for now, and we have plenty more in the works that we'll be releasing in every update in the future. So I hope those work out for you, and we can't wait to see what you create with them.